Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English conversation. Meeting.
Hello! In this video, we learn the most common English phrases, sentences, and vocabulary for scheduling a meeting. Scheduling a meeting. In this topic, we have 8 different situations. 1. Asking for a meeting. 2. Suggest a time. 3. Apologies or rescheduling. 4. Okay to attend. 5. Confirming time. 6. Length of a meeting. 7. Place an outline. 8. Looking forward to seeing you. 1. Asking for a meeting. Could we schedule a time to meet next week? Would it be possible for us to meet on Monday evening next week? Perhaps we could meet and go over the details in person. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when asking for a meeting. Schedule, to arrange for an event or activity to happen at a particular time. Possible, means that something can be done or achieved. In person, physical presence, face-to-face. Perhaps, used to show that something is possible or that you are not sure about something. Go over, to examine or look at something carefully. 2. Suggesting time. How about Monday at 9? How about sometime after lunch, about 2? What time do you have in mind? Would 5:30 suits you? Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when suggesting a time for a meeting. Suggest, mention an idea, possible plan, or action for other people to consider. Sometimes, at a time in the future or the past that is not known or not stated. Have in mind, think about something or have a plan for something. Suit, to be convenient or work well for someone or something. 3. Apologies or rescheduling. Sorry, I can't make it then. I'm afraid I have another appointment then. How about 7:30 instead? I'm afraid I have to ask you if we can reschedule our meeting for next week. Do you have another time in mind? I'm sorry to inconvenience you. Could we postpone the meeting until Wednesday at the same time? Vocabulary. Important vocabulary in apologizing that I can't attend or reschedule a meeting. Can't make it, cannot do something as planned or scheduled. Instead, as an alternative. Appointment, a formal arrangement to meet or visit someone at a particular time and place. Reschedule, to change the time for a meeting, appointment, conference, etc. Postpone, to decide that an event should happen at a later time than originally planned. Inconvenience, to cause problems or difficulties for someone. 4. Okay to attend. Yes, I can manage that. Yes, that would be fine. Yes, I think we can manage that. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when saying yes to attending a meeting. Attend, to go to a place, a meeting, or an event. can manage, to be able to attend or do something at a particular time. Fine, good, good enough, excellent, or much better than average. 5. Confirming time. So, I will see you on Monday at 2. See you on Sunday then. Well, I will see you on Wednesday. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary when confirming the time for a meeting. Confirm, to make an arrangement or meet certain people, often by phone or writing. See you on, state the time that is planned for the meeting or event. 6. Length of a meeting. Should we plan for the whole afternoon? And how long should we plan on meeting? Let's say it took about an hour and a half. Is that all right for you? Let's leave the length of the meeting open for now. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary for the length of a meeting. Length, the amount of time something lasts. Whole, all of something or the full amount. Plan, to think about and make arrangements for things that will happen in the future. Open, not finally settled. 7. Place an outline. Where are we meeting, Julia? Can you tell me where the meeting will be held? Then, can I suggest we meet at our offices? I will have my assistant send you a quick email to let you know where we're meeting and outline what I would like to discuss. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary for the place and outline of a meeting. Hold, arrange for something. Assistant, an employee who helps someone in a more senior position do their job. Discuss, to talk about a subject with someone and share your ideas or opinions on it. Outline, a description of the main facts about something. 8. Looking forward to seeing. Thanks very much. It will be great to see you again. Wonderful. I look forward to meeting you then. See you then. Bye for now. Vocabulary. Important vocabulary to look forward to seeing in a meeting. Great, very good, nice. Wonderful, extremely good. Look forward to, feeling pleased and excited about something that is going to happen.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.